In a continuing effort to increase customer service to Chesterfield County's taxpayers, the Treasurer's Office is delighted to announce improvements to our online payment portal and the opening of our new payment kiosk. The improvements to the online payment portal will allow taxpayers to create a user ID and from there associate all their personal property and real estate accounts. This user ID brings the account statements and payments made online under one umbrella for easy access. Payments can be made on any or all of the accounts within the user ID and can be made now or scheduled for a future date. The payment portal user ID will also allow taxpayers to create recurring payments paying their balances over time. To create a user ID, the taxpayer needs the account number from each of the tax statements. The account number can be found in the upper right corner of the tax statement. As personal property is not public information, the taxpayer will need to confirm ownership of personal property accounts by entering the last 5 digits of the primary owner's Social Security number and driver's license number. The primary owner is the first name on the tax statement. The newly installed payment kiosk, Jack, or Justified Automated Collections Kiosk, is located on the outside of the Lane B. Ramsey building at 9901 Laurie Road and is accessible 24/7. Jack accepts cash, checks, credit, and debit cards and provides a receipt for each payment.
Did you get your receipt?
Jack is fluent in both English and Spanish.
Por favor, retira tu tarjeta.
To use the kiosk, an account can be looked up by the account number, located in the upper right corner of the tax statement, looked up by address, or by scanning the barcode on the lower right of the tax statement. Payment methods again are cash and checks, for which there is no processing fee, and credit or debit cards. The processing fee for the credit and debit cards is the same as the online payment portal, 2% for credit cards and a flat $2.50 for debit cards. We are so excited about these new payment methods and hope they provide a more convenient option for you.